So this is an old one only. We'll take new one. This is your class 3 program. Now we'll try to look at another method that gets created here. अभी ये जो दो वैल्यूज रीड कर रहे हैं, ए और बी जो वैल्यूज रीड कर रहे हैं, उसी का हम लोग यूज करते हैं, लेकिन एक नया मेथड ऐड कर लेते हैं. वो नया मेथड है सबस्ट्रैक्ट. हम लोग यहाँ लिखते हैं पब्लिक इंट subtract. Now this is a subtract method that I have. Now the subtract method again can be given as a method like this, and a method के अंदर हम लोग अपना values दे सकते हैं, यानी int k equals to I minus j. I can do a subtraction like this, and then I can just go ahead and put it as my return k. But see, I should accept this I and j values from the user. To read it, I call this subtract method as int I comma int j. See, यहाँ पे मैं इसलिए ये लिख पा रहा हूँ, see यहाँ पे भी int I j यूज कर रहा हूँ और ये यहाँ पे भी int I j यूज कर रहा हूँ. ये यहाँ पे जो मैं एडिशन में जो यहाँ पे I दे रहा हूँ, सब्सट्रैक्शन में जो I दे रहा हूँ, वो दोनों दो अलग चीजें हैं. बिकॉज ये जो मैं यहाँ पे दे रहा हूँ वो इस मेथड का स्कोप में ही काम करेगा. यहाँ पे जो I दे रहा हूँ वो इस मेथड का स्कोप में ही काम करेगा. इसको भी मैं यहीं पे लिखता हूँ ताकि आप समझ सके. Whatever I am writing I here, int I am writing it here, that is valid only for the scope of a method. Whatever I am writing it here, that is valid for only this scope. Beyond that you cannot utilize it. Beyond that you cannot utilize it. Right? Hope everybody is clear. So this is how you utilize your values. This is how you use your method now. Now you have got your subtract method. To again use the subtract method, you need not have to create another object. One object is sufficient for accessing all the members of the class. This is what we have learned. अगर अभी हम लोगों को ये subtract method को यूज करने के लिए हमको एक ऑब्जेक्ट चाहिए. हम लोगों ने सीखा है क्लास में, आज के क्लास में, कि एक ऑब्जेक्ट जो क्रिएट होता है वो ऑब्जेक्ट यूज करके हम पूरा क्लास का इस्तेमाल कर सकते हैं. पूरा क्लास का मेंबर्स, मेंबर फंक्शंस, सब चीजों का हम लोग एक्सेस कर सकते हैं. यानी जब हम हर चीज का एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, उसका मतलब है हम लोग सबस्ट्रैक्ट मेथड का भी हम लोग यूज कर सकते हैं. So if at all you have access to the entire class, which means you have the access to the subtract method also. Now what is that we are supposed to do is we just come back and write it as your yum object dot, you can use the subtract method. Now the subtract method should be given with the input. Now I give the same input as a comma b. Now the a comma b can be utilized. Once you read a comma b, that can be given as input for your addition, and that can also be given as the input for the subtraction also. Now I will take another variable called my sub result. I'll call it as sub result. Now I'll put it as sub result equals to my yum object, that is main class object dot subtract method passing a and b value. Now once you printed system dot out dot println, and here we write it similarly as we are using it. Similarly हम लोग यहाँ पे भी लिख लेते हैं the sum of A and B is यहाँ पे लिखना होगा sum and b is nothing but it is not result, it is what it is sub result. So यहाँ पे हम लोग लिखते हैं sub result. Once I execute this, now it will ask me for the variables, that is a first value I'll give it as 200 or say 2000. Now I'll give it the second value as 500. Once I enter it, see the sum of two numbers is 2500 and the difference of two numbers. यहाँ पे मैंने sum ही लिखा है, I should put it as difference. So I'll write it as difference of two numbers is a minus b, which is given in the subtract method. Now once I give it as 2000 and I give it as 500, now see the sum of two numbers is 500 and the difference of 2000 and 500 is 1500. So this is how you work with something called class and objects and methods. So we have done only the basics of class till now. The very basic portion of class is done till now. So now it is already 12:39, it is more than 1 hour. So we will now take a break in order to give our attendance. मैं फिर से, it is a bigger what we call program. So I'm just copying it and putting it in a Word document so that I can send it to you today. All right. Now it is now 12:40. Now we will take a 3-minute break and we will come back and meet at 12:43. I repeat, हम लोग अभी 12:40 से लेके 12:43 तक हम लोग ब्रेक पे जाएंगे, हम अपने अटेंडेंस दे देंगे. I repeat everybody, we will now give our attendance in the next 3 minutes. It's already 12:40, so we will connect back at 12:43. Thank you so much.